This is the lace and it's completely glueless, as you can see. No glue, already customized for you. And all you gotta do is to just put this on. That's all you gotta do.
So if you get nervous about cutting lace when you want to put on your wig, this hair by Vshow hair, you don't have to cut the lace for this wig. So this is definitely the first. I've never seen a wig where they actually already cut the lace for you. Most companies, they would pluck and bleach, but this hair by Vshow hair, this is their information. They claim that this is their glueless wig and it's already customized. The density is 180 and the length is 26 inches. So I have their curly unit. And so what you really just have to do is to just unpack the hair and just put it on your head, and you don't have to do any kind of work. That's what they claim. So I'm going to try it today, and let's really see if what they say is true. So let's try it together, because I think it's really interesting the way they cut the lace for you. So we're gonna just try it out and see.
Alright guys, so we're just going to throw this wig on. Like, there's no work to do at all. So yeah, let's put on the stocking cap. But before we do that, the only thing I've noticed about the wig is they didn't like bleach the knots, and they didn't tint the lace. But other than that, everything else is pretty much done for you. It's like pre-plucked, and even the way they cut the lace, it's kind of like in a zigzag motion. I guess they're trying to make it look as natural as possible, so they didn't want to cut it straight across, which I think is really cool. So I'm going to wear the wig as it is. I'm not going to do any kind of work other than putting my tint spray, so we can really see how easy this is for beginners. So let me put the spray on the lace. And this is a closure wig, so it's perfect. Honestly, sometimes I feel like I prefer closure wigs to like frontals, because closure wig is just more, much easier to like manage. I'm just gonna work this spray around the lace like this. That's it. All right, so yeah, but this is what it looks like with the spray. So let me put the stocking cap on. And let's put this wig on. And this is the stocking cap that came with the packaging. Let me put some of the tint spray over. And this tint spray is by Ebin. This is the one I always use. I got it from Amazon. So yeah, I'll leave the link in the description if you want to get it. Because using my makeup for these wigs is becoming expensive. I don't want to be spending so much money on foundation. All right, so yeah, this is basically the inside. It's kind of like they used, you know, like the spandex cap to make the wig, and then they added the elastic band. It would have been nice if there was like comb, but let me put it back on. Yeah, so all you really have to secure this is really the elastic band. All right, so this is the lace area that is customized for you. And this is the hair. This is the beautiful curls. I really like the curls, and it feels nice and full enough. So I'm gonna add some products, but this is basically what it looks like as soon as you put it on without doing any kind of work on it. So let me straighten up the part, and then I'm going to put some of my makeup powder just in the front. But we're not adding any type of glue or anything today. We're just going to wear this wig glueless. all you really need to do is to tap your foundation over the front, and it would just cover like the separation between the lace and your skin. That's really it. You can see the lace now with my foundation. Yeah, now it looks like it's just blended. Now I'm just putting some flyaway tamer over the top. Some Cantu silk serum. Just around the lace area. And some shea butter. I'm just going ahead to separate some of the curls. The hair, it's really soft. Another beautiful thing about this hair is the more you finger comb it, the more it gets fuller. And as you do so, I'm noticing it's not a lot of shedding. There's barely any hair on my hand, like just this much. You can see how the volume is just like getting bigger. I love big hair, so this is perfect. This is big, this is glueless, and this is cute. So this is what the hair looks like. Nice and full. And I love the curl pattern. I'm gonna show you guys the back, but this is where it stops. And this is the lace. This is the lace, and it's completely glueless, as you can see. No glue, already customized for you. And all you gotta do is to just put this on. That's all you gotta do. I love it guys. This hair is good and super beginner friendly. I highly recommend it. If you don't want to do any cutting of lace, you don't want to do any work, just get this wig and just put it on. And the lace looks really good as well, as you can see. And all I did, as I showed you, just use my tint spray and my foundation. And that's basically all you need to do.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Be sure to check out Vshow hair. I will leave the link to this wig in the description box. Try it out if you're a beginner and you don't know how to cut lace and you just don't want to do any kind of work and you like closure wigs. So thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.